we are still able to be the best.
And then with connection with others, including Bosco, Bia, and others, our choristers were also taken to Entebbe Airport, their babies, and all that. I think it was mainly because due to not taking church arrangements so seriously. Because for them, they could have provided mattress, or they never knew that we had nothing.
Did Bosco Beer donate the Big Brother truck which took the pupils from here to?
Yes. Bosco Beer donated that truck. It was his support, and even when we were there, he was providing other support also, some soda, motivation, and linking us with other people. Telling them, okay, our children from Patao are around. Could you come, and then we go and see them? And people were coming with crates of soda, biscuit, and all that, which our choristers and enjoy it. So he played a big role of mobilizing our sons and daughters who were in Kampala.
What a good man. Good is still continuing with this charity up to now. Now,
I think Bosco is a very nice person, and he's someone who is pro-development, because you will recall during the period of insurgency, he surrendered a number of his vehicles which linked people from Patan, Lira, Gulwa, Bim, and elsewhere, even up to now. So he has contributed a lot in the transport sector. And then he's a kind man, and I'm very open. Only that people don't take advantage of his good behavior, of his good art. He always stand up with people. He's simple and even easy to approach. So he's a nice guy. I like him.